for us, launching this program is a way to, I suppose, break the norm. Ultimately, it's around having different opinions on solutions so that we get the best solution for our customer. So we love Lego. Now, Lego for me growing up was just a bit of a, how creative can I be? Can I solve this problem? Can I make this fit like that? So again, it's that type of thinking that is the talent that we need for the future. You know, we don't spend every hour of every day playing games, but it can be a really useful tool to unlock innovation or just bond teams. There is usefulness in some of these types of activities to spark creativity, just to build team structures, or even solve problems. I know myself, when I'm in this space, I'll maybe take a phone call while knocking one of the golf balls around. And that just helps me in my thinking process. Other people might want a quiet room. They might want a collaborative workspace with their own desk. That just kind of goes to show the huge diverse nature of the workplace of the future.